Hi guys, Paul here, and this is going to be a DVR footage. I know a number of you guys have asked for more DVR footage of him racing. This one I think fits the bill quite well. To cut a long story short, Thomas did do an intro, which I will run at the end of this. Basically, to paint the picture, Thomas built the Xbee. This is the Minchan Kim edition. Only 2 days before this race, he made it all went well. He brought it with him to the race meet only for show and tell, just to show some of the guys. And to cut a long story short, his two main helix quads were taken out of action. One was due to a mid-air, and I can't remember exactly what caused the other one to be taken out of action. And essentially, the only other quad he had was either one of my quads he could have used, but I was obviously racing, so he couldn't use one of mine, and he had the Xbee with him. So this is a quad he hadn't practiced on much, hadn't flown much, and he was going to go into a race meet with it. Now, basically what he said to me was, both of my quads are out, what do I do? I said, well, you've got no choice. You're going to be running the Xbee. I go, you should be right. Just use the first couple of races to get a feel for it. Who's in your first race? And it turned out Luke, this is Tilted FPV, was in his first race. And if you guys don't know who he is, he actually ran the second fastest qualifying time in the Australian Nationals qualifier. So we're talking about an extremely quick pilot here. So Thomas had to contend with racing against essentially the second fastest pilot and then also be able to adapt to a new quad. And I think this video actually illustrates that really well. Anyway, I'll cut to Thomas's intro and we'll run a video clip, and there will be more videos to come out in the coming weeks.
Hey guys, Thomas here. So this is a quick preview video, I guess you could say, to the Xbee frame. Pretty much at a club meet I had some technical issues and it ended up leaving me to have to revert to my newly built Xbee frame. And yeah, you'll see how that goes soon. Anyways, I'll be heading over to DR1 in like an hour. So we're still going to have videos coming out that we'll be working on other content. Just so you know too, some of this content will be from before I upgraded to the HDO. So if you're wondering why some of them are with the Dominators instead, that's the reason why. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this clip and the clips to come.
I call on you, my friend. I call on you, my friend. Whenever I'm down, I call on you, my friend. A helping hand you lend in my time of need. Whenever I'm down, I call on you, my friend. I call on you, my friend. Whenever I'm down, I call on you, my friend. Whenever I'm down, I call on you, my friend. Whenever I'm down, I call on you, my friend. A helping hand you lend in my time of need. Whenever I'm down, I call on you, my friend.